The last category of the evening. Wake the kids and phone the neighbors. I know the finalists for the Large Company of the Year have been eagerly waiting for this award category, as have all of we.
Good evening, everyone. St. Clair College would like to congratulate this year's winner of the Large Company of the Year award. And the winner is Cavalier Tool in Manufacturing. Congratulations.
Geographically, there's a whole bunch of really smart people in a small area, Essex County. So to have our business and to be able to compete globally, there's really only a few spots in the world, and Windsor is, certainly top 3. There's a tremendous amount of opportunity, a tremendous amount of talent. We're viewed as technological leaders. People talk about Germany, Japan, you hear these other countries. When I travel to Germany and Japan, they ask me about Windsor.
Congrats, Cavalier Tool Manufacturing. I can't say that we at Mold Making Technology are surprised. You're one of our past lead time leaders, and you rock your people, process, and technology. Congratulations.
On behalf of the members, the board, and the Canadian Association of Mold Makers, we'd like to congratulate Cavalier Tool for their big win last night at the Business Excellence Awards in Windsor. Congratulations to Large Company of the Year, Cavalier Tool, to Brian, Tim, and the whole team. Congratulations.
Hey Brian, congratulations to you and the Cavalier team for winning Large Company of the Year tonight. Proud that you're a member of the CTMA, and I wish you all the best in the future. Way to go, bud.
Congratulations to Cavalier Tool and Manufacturing, a company truly worthy of a Business Excellence Award. The team at Invest Windsor Essex has always been impressed with your level of innovation and your focus on developing the workforce of the future. We wish you all the best.
Congratulations, Cavalier!